Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to send money with Western Union. First, there are two types of sending. First is the online and an app, or just simply go on a physical store. Now here on online, all you're going to do is to go on to the Western Union official website and select a specific country where you wanted to send. Now from there, all you're going to do is to input the specific amount. Like for example, this is for a USD. Let's just say you wanted to send $100 and you'll see onto the receiver's amount the conversion of 100 USD to Mexican. And now from here, all you're going to do is to choose what type of receiving they want. You can choose either cash pickup, bank account, or mobile wallet. And then after that, after selecting a specific amount or just a way of receiving the money, you'll need to provide the receiver's details like online payment, debit card, or any kind of informations that the receiver will need. And you can see here also that you can pay online like credit card, debit, bank account, or Google Play. Just simply select one of these and it also included with a fee. Now after that, you're good to go. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.